So in this video, we are understanding for the linear data structure. In this video, we are understanding for the linear and non-linear data structure. As we recall, or if we see in the previous video, that is in the data structure types video, we will see that this is basically comes under the according to the construction. This linear and non-linear data structure comes in the according to the structure construction. So let us understand what is linear data structure means. So it means that a data structure is said to be linear, of if its elements form a sequence or a linear list. So a data structure is said to be linear if its elements form a sequence or the linear list. So this is basically the linear data structure. So like example, if we will see the example is necessary to write in the question. So example is arrays, the linked list, the stocks, and the queues. So these are the examples for the linear data structure. Now let us see what is the non-linear data structure. If it is come in the difference, so you can write it in 3 points. So I'll explain in the last. So first let us understand what is non-linear data structure. So non-linear data structure, a data structure is said to be non-linear. A data structure is said to be non-linear data structure if its every data item is attached to several data forms, several other data items in a way of reflecting relationship. So this is the non-linear data structure. Now for example we have trees and the graphs. So this video is for the linear and non-linear data structure, or the difference between linear and non-linear data structure. So hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video.